Hey there, wealth walkers. Alex here, and boy, do I have a treat for you today. Imagine making over 900 bucks just by jamming to your favorite tunes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to turn your epic playlist into a money-making machine. The magical world of music transcription. First things first, let's talk about what we're doing here. We're diving into the world of music transcription. Now, before you run away screaming, "I can't even read sheet music," hold up. We're not talking about that kind of transcription. We're talking about turning songs into lyrics. You know, those things you belt out in the shower when you think no one's listening. Step 1. Get your music on. Let's start with the fun part. Listening to music. Head over to soundcloud.com. It's like the cool, underground cousin of Spotify. You can use it on your computer or download the app on your phone. Whatever floats your boat. Once you're there, you'll see a bunch of trending songs. These are your potential moneymakers, folks. Each song you transcribe can earn you about $6. Do the math. 2 songs, 12 bucks. 4 songs, 24 bucks. And the best part? There's no limit to how many you can do. Step 2. Lyrics everywhere. Now you might be thinking, Alex, I'm not a human Shazam. How am I supposed to know all these lyrics? Well, my young Padawan, let me introduce you to your new best friend, musicmatch.com. This website is like the Wikipedia of song lyrics. Just type in the name of any song and boom, lyrics at your fingertips. It's so easy. Even your technologically challenged grandma could do it. No offense, grandma. Step 3, show me the money. All right, here's where things get juicy. There's a website out there that's willing to pay you cold, hard cash for transcribing music into lyrics. They're paying $1.50 per minute of music. Let that sink in for a moment. A 3-minute song? That's $4.50 in your pocket. A 6-minute power ballad? $9, baby. Do 10 songs a day and you're looking at some serious cash. Do 20 or 30 and you might just be able to quit your day job. But don't tell your boss I said that. The golden ticket, rev.com. Now I know you're all itching to know where this magical money tree is. Well, here it is, rev.com. This isn't some sketchy website run out of someone's basement. We're talking over 700,000 users here. They've got all sorts of jobs available, from closed captioning to translation. But today we're focusing on audio transcription. That's where the music magic happens. To get started, scroll to the bottom of their page and click on Become a Freelancer. They'll ask for some basic info: name, email, country. Nothing too invasive. Just remember, if you run into any issues signing up, drop a comment below and I'll be your personal tech support. Double your hustle, gotranscript.com. Now, if there's one thing I've learned in my time as a wealth walker, it's that you never put all your eggs in one basket. That's why I'm throwing in a bonus site for you overachievers out there. gotranscript.com. This site is similar to rev.com, but with its own unique flavor. They pay about 60 cents per audio minute. So a 5-minute song could net you $3. Not too shabby for jamming out to your favorite tunes, right? The lazy way out, but should you take it? Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Alex, this sounds like work. I thought this was supposed to be easy money. Well, my lazy friends, I hear you. And because I'm such a nice guy, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. gotranscribe.com. This website claims to automatically transcribe your audio files into text. Sounds perfect, right? Well, not so fast. While it might be tempting to let a computer do all the work, I've got to be real with you. These auto-transcription services aren't always accurate. And in the world of transcription, accuracy is king. My advice? Do the work yourself. Yeah, it might take a little longer, but you'll end up with a much better product. Plus, you'll be building a valuable skill that could lead to bigger and better opportunities down the line. Keeping it real. Expectations versus reality. All right, wealth walkers, it's time for a reality check. Are you going to become the next Jeff Bezos doing this? Probably not. But can you make a few $100 to fund your weekend adventures or pay off that pesky credit card bill? Absolutely. Think of this as your stepping stone. You're not just making money, you're gaining experience. And in the gig economy, experience is worth its weight in gold. Leveling up from small fry to big fish. Once you've got some experience under your belt, it's time to think bigger. I'm talking Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. These sites are where the big bucks are, but they're also crawling with competition. That's why starting with rev.com and gotranscript.com is so important. You're building your skills, getting feedback, and creating a portfolio of work. When you do make the jump to the bigger platforms, you'll be ready to swim with the sharks. The Wealth Walk Challenge. All right, Wealth Walkers, I've got a challenge for you. For the next week, I want you to spend just 1 hour a day transcribing music. That's it. 1 hour. See how much you can make in a week. Then come back to this video and drop a comment letting me know how it went. How much did you make? What was the coolest song you transcribed? Did you discover any new artists? I want to hear it all. So there you have it, folks. A way to make money that doesn't involve flipping burgers or selling your soul to corporate America. Is it glamorous? Nah. Is it easy? Well, easier than trying to make it as a SoundCloud rapper. Remember, this is just the beginning of your wealth-building journey. Keep your eyes on the prize, stay motivated, and who knows? Maybe next time I see you, you'll be the one making these videos. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring that bell. It's like tipping your favorite wealth walker, that's me, except it's free. And hey, if you've got any other money-making schemes, strategies, that you want me to check out, drop them in the comments. Who knows? Your idea might be the star of our next video. Stay hungry, stay hustling, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Alex, signing off from another Wealth Walk. Peace out, moneymakers. Bonus tip, the Spotify hack. Now, before I let you go, I've got one last tip for you overachievers out there. If you're really serious about maximizing your earnings, consider getting a Spotify premium account. Why? 2 reasons. 1, no ads. That means uninterrupted transcription time. Every second counts when you're getting paid by the minute. 2, Spotify's lyrics feature. While it's not available for every song when it is, it can be a great way to double-check your work or get a head start on your transcription. Just remember, don't copy these lyrics verbatim. Use them as a guide, but always listen to the song yourself. Your ears are your moneymakers here. Final thoughts, the ethics of it all. Before we wrap up, let's talk ethics for a second. You might be wondering, is this legal? Am I stealing from artists? The short answer is, you're good. The companies you're working for have the rights to transcribe these songs. You're just the middleman or middlewoman, making it happen. That being said, remember that you're dealing with someone else's art. Treat it with respect. Who knows? Maybe your accurate transcription will help someone connect with their favorite song on a deeper level. You're not just making money, you're spreading the love of music. And who knows? Maybe one day when you're a famous songwriter, because let's face it, after all this transcription, you're basically halfway there. You'll appreciate all the hard-working transcribers out there, making sure your lyrics are accurately represented online. So there you have it. Wealth Walkers, a complete guide to turning your love of music into cold, hard cash. Now get out there and start transcribing. Your bank account and your Spotify playlist will thank you.